How to get car insurance as a high-risk driver. It's a fact that it can be very hard to get car insurance as a high-risk driver. However, all U.S. states require some form of auto insurance, and there's no excuse for going without this important liability coverage while operating a vehicle. High-risk drivers are generally those with multiple accidents on their record, or younger drivers who have not had a chance to prove themselves as safe operators of vehicles. High-risk drivers can encounter challenges simply trying to stay legal on the road. With a little work, though, most of these drivers in a high-risk category can get access to specialized auto insurance solutions that effectively cover them. Steps 1. Research your state's auto insurance system. It's important to realize that every state has different laws about auto insurance, as well as different kinds of policies available. What most states do have is a very important tool for high-risk drivers called assigned risk pools. In these setups, states often force insurers to accept high-risk drivers as policy holders. Your state's government website will have specific information about how the state deals with high-risk drivers, and this should be one of your first stops in solving a problem caused by a high-risk rating. States offer information on these programs to ensure that everyone in the state has access to legal insurance, lowering incentives to simply drive without insurance. 2. Look at family and group coverage. This is not a common way for most high-risk drivers to get insurance, but for the younger set, who still may live at home, access to a family policy or group plan may be a solution to the high costs associated with auto insurance for high-risk drivers. 3. Seek out companies offering non-standard insurance. Another provision for high-risk drivers in most states is that certain auto insurance companies sell policies that they refer to as non-standard insurance. These policies tend to be written specifically for drivers with higher risk than the general average. 4. Check into risk mitigation with drivers' ed programs. Another thing that many states have done is to approve different traffic school programs for changing a driver's record, including possible point reduction and better overall risk ratings. Look at all of the available traffic schools in your area as well as online options for lowering your risk as a driver. 5. Negotiate lower costs. If your high-risk problem is causing your auto insurance rates to be extremely high or unaffordable, you can get lower rates through applying different changes to a policy agreement. Limited mileage or high-deductible policies can leave more money in your pocket, so if it's cost that is causing problems, and not access, some good negotiation may help solve the issue.